To start the boiler, turn the key to the first position, which will illuminate the yellow light. This is the glow plugs warming. Allow for 5 seconds. And then fully turn the key to start the engine. When turning the burner on, flick the black switch to the on position. There is a red indication light on top of the control box, followed by a green flashing beacon. There will be approximately a 20-second delay until the red light comes on and the green indication beacon. This is the control lever for the paddles with inside the boiler that mix the material. Pull this lever towards you to go. The paddles will then turn anti-clockwise to mix the material. This is how you safely attach the Mastic chute to the back of the boiler. Lift up, place over the top of the locking pins, and lock in place. Firstly, connect the regulator into the gas bottle, tighten up with an adjustable spanner, then check the lines, check that there's no holes or any frayed lines. Turn the gas bottle on and allow a small amount of gas to be released from the gas lines. Using the flint lighter,
tool heater instructions. Once the material is up to temperature, complete the following steps. Slowly turn on the gas bottle, move the teardrop guard into the upright position, ignite the propane blazing torch, present the ignited torch to the burner nozzle. Turn on the gas at the isolation valve. This will ignite the burner, then simply remove the blazing torch and close the teardrop once the burner is lit. If for any reason the burner fails to light or does not sustain a suitable flame, turn off the isolator and gas bottle and report to your line manager. Boiler operation discharge door method. Firstly, you'll need a spray bottle with some asphalt degreaser, one of your metal steel bucket, a scraper, and a temperature gun for checking the temperature of the material. Gas bottle and lance with a flint igniter. Firstly, give a light coating of asphalt degreaser into the bucket to prevent the mastic from sticking. Also, give the trowel a light spray and the base plate of the trailer for any spills or drips from the mastic door. Then turn on the gas and gas lance and lightly heat the door of the boiler. Try not to touch any of the hydraulic pipes or cables to the ignition box. This will now warm any mastic that's stuck to the back of the door, preventing the door from being released. Now place the steel bucket under the door and lift the handle upwards to release the door. Always stand to the side when open the door. Begin to move and release the plug from the door. This is a buildup of unmixed mastic. Release this until you get hot flowing material. Check the temperature of the material is correct and close the door. This material must now be placed back in the boiler and added to the mix. Turn the hydraulic paddles off, lift open the door and allow 5 to 10 seconds for the steam to evaporate. Once evaporated, tip this material back into the boiler for a further mix. Close down the door and turn back on the paddles. Safe mixing procedure of the mastic. First, stop the paddles from turning, open the mastic boiler hatch and add 5 green bags of material to the boiler, always making sure you have your full PP on, face visor and gauntlets. Once all 5 bags are added to the boiler, always remember the 1 white bag of Satabit. Close down the door, lock in position and turn the mixing paddles to the on position. On larger repairs, you must keep a shoe in the tool heater to exchange after approximately every 10 meters squared of material laid. This is to keep the shoe hot at all times to prevent the mastic from sticking and creating lines in your repair. Heat in the shoe also makes the material flow more freely from the back of the shoe.